Are you serious? Are you serious? Guys, we just had a major quake. 6.5 on the Richter scale just hit in the last half hour. Indonesia, rocking the Indonesia area there. This earthquake hit off the Indonesian Seram Island, which is east of their the Sulawesi, which is tsunami. Remember that tsunami that caused a devastating damage last year? Well, it hits. This is the exact same spot. 6.5 earthquake, major quake, major concerns we have here, guys. This thing, tsunami warnings are in effect. People are absolutely panicking at this moment right now. What's going to happen? We're very, very, very concerned about it. Let me just take a quick peek. I'm trying to get the information. It's a very fluid situation right now. Just now happened. Very fluid situation taking place. This 6.5 quake off the coast of Indonesia in the last few moments. Strong, rocking Indonesia, hits off the eastern Indonesia. There is a tsunami concerns, tsunami watch in effect. This strong inland earthquake has struck eastern Indonesia, causing people to flee to higher ground. People are panicking. They are running to the hills. They think it could be another apocalyptic moment in Indonesia. Now, we'll have more information for you. Our live broadcast starts at 10 p.m. Eastern in 1 hour. Please join me tonight. It's going to be a powerful program. We're going to find out exactly what's going on. Are you serious? Are you serious? This is what we've been telling you. The heavens are shaking. The earth is quaking. My mind is aching. My back is breaking. The devil is quaking. It's all happening. We're not faking. Get a cup of coffee. It's going to be a long night. Because, see, these CMEs coming off the surface of the sun, coming directly at the earth, we've been expecting 3 more days of quakes. 3 more days of quakes. What?